Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss some questions of exercise 6.4. So here our fifth question is, if alpha beta are roots of x square plus kx plus 12 is equal to 0 and alpha minus beta is equal to 1, you have to find the value of the k in this case. So first we will think about what is alpha plus beta and alpha beta in this case, like sum of roots and product of roots. If I have equation x square plus kx plus 12 is equal to 0, and if I have to go for find sum of root, that is minus b upon a. In place of b there is a k and in place of a there is a 1. So there is minus k, that is sum of roots. Now let's see what is product of roots. Product of roots is c by e. So constant term is 12 and e is 1, that is my product of root is 12. So now I have given in my question alpha minus beta is equal to 1. I have alpha plus beta value, I have alpha beta value, and alpha minus beta is given in my question. So I apply in this formula. So I apply the value to find the value of k. So if I have this alpha minus beta value is 1, alpha plus beta is minus k whole square, because I am going to apply the equation, and alpha beta is 12, that is 4 into 12. So here that become k square 1 and this will be shifted here, so that is 48 is equal to k square. So that means my k square value is equal to 49 and k is equal to, when you go with the square root, so k is equal to plus minus 7. So we take the positive value here, because if we take the negative then this equation become negative. So according to the equation, so we have to pick only the positive value. So k value is equal to 7, because here is a positive term is there. Now my next question is, if one root of the equation, my equation is given px square minus 2p plus 3x minus p plus 1 is equal to 0, p3. If one root of this equation is given to be 3, you have to first find the value of p, then you have to find also the other root of the equation. So in this, if there is a condition of, if any root is given to you, that means if you replace the x value, variable value, that is your basically which variable represent your quadratic equation, you replace x value with this root value, that means your left side become exactly equal to your right side. So that is the meaning of the root. So that means if 3 is my root of this equation, so that means 3 satisfies the condition both left side and right side. So if 3 is the root, so you have to pass this plus 3 into 3 minus p plus 1 is equal to 0. Now when you open, this is 9p minus 6p minus 9 minus p minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 9p minus 6 minus 1, 9 minus 7 give me 2p minus 10 is equal to 0. So p is equal to 10 by 2, that is exactly equal to 5. That means my p value is equal to 5. Now I have to go for the another root. My basic equation is px square minus 2p plus 3x minus p plus 1 is equal to 0. So now I go with my original equation. So I found my one root is 3, because it satisfied the condition here, because that is given in my question. So if another root is alpha, let another root is alpha, another root is equal to alpha, then sum of roots alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. So in place of b there is minus that is 2p plus 3, and in place of a there is p. So now if you negative become positive, and if you replace the value of p, so that is 2p 2 into 5 plus 3 by 5. Here we have to find the alpha, and beta I consider as 3. So alpha plus 3 is equal to 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. Now when you subtract this value, alpha is equal to 13 by 5 minus 3, that is alpha is equal to 13 minus 15 by 5. So that is minus 2 by 5. That is the value of my another root. Now my another question is, if alpha beta are the roots of the equation, this is your second question of your exercise, 3x square minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. So you have to find the value of this expression. So if alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, we extract the value of alpha plus beta from that. Alpha plus beta, my formula is minus b upon a. So in place of b there is minus 6. So minus 6, and in place of a there is 3. So that gives me 3 2s are 6. Now I go with alpha beta. Alpha beta is c upon e, that is product of roots, that is 4 by 3. Now first I will simplify this expression into alpha plus beta and alpha beta form. So if this is alpha square plus beta square, so this is alpha beta separately. Because we no need to find alpha beta separately, we have to arrange this equation as alpha plus beta or alpha beta form. So first I will take the LCM of this, that give me alpha cube plus beta cube, and denominator is combination of alpha beta. Here also alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta, and here also that is alpha plus beta by alpha beta and plus 3 alpha beta, plus 3 alpha beta. Now what you will do, here we apply our EQ plus BQ formula in form of alpha beta. So what is my EQ plus BQ formula in form of alpha beta? We have two formulas. In here, when I go with alpha square plus beta square, if I go with directly find the value, so that is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, so if I found the value here easily, so I can go easily for my direct formula of alpha cube plus beta cube formula, because my alpha cube plus beta cube formula is alpha plus beta, so that will be more easier to apply this formula, that is alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. So if I have alpha square plus beta square value, I can apply it here. So when I apply it here, alpha plus beta square is 2 square minus 2 into 4 by 3. So that gives me 4 minus 8 by 3. So when I calculate this one, alpha square plus beta square value, so that is 12 minus 8. If I take the LCM here, so that is 12 minus 8, that is 4 by 3. That is again 4 by 3, that is alpha square plus beta square value. So now if I have to find alpha cube plus beta cube value, alpha plus beta value is 2, alpha square plus beta square value I just find 4 by 3, and alpha beta is already I have 4 by 3. Okay, so if this will be 0, that means alpha cube plus beta cube value will be 0. Okay, so this becomes 0, so no need to go. Square plus beta square value is 4 by 3. So when I replace the value here, so that first term becomes 0, so that is 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. So this is 2 is already outside, so that is alpha plus beta value is 2, 2 into 2, and denominator is 4 by 3 plus 3 into 4 by 3. In the next is 1, it becomes 1, so that becomes here the 3 goes upward, and this 2 into 2, that is cancelled with 4, so that is only 3 is left it here. So when only 3 is left it here, so that means 1 plus 3 plus 4 give me